Yo, yo, yo. All right, we are back. What's up, everyone? Well, sorry for the sudden music. Bad DJ skills here. Bad DJ skills. I thought I had the music all queued up. All right, there we go. Let's keep that going. And we're good. All right. I was already on this morning. Anyone who's on right now probably also was probably already with me towards the end of the stream at least. So, market is open here. And I kind of got in a crappy situation. So I had a trade right here. I'm not showing it you can see it on TradingView, but here you can see it on NinjaTrader. So I had a trade, and my TP would have hit right there, but I realized we're getting close to the market, and I just closed it out. So I took a big fat L just now, right here. So my stop loss was down here. My target was, maybe my target wouldn't have hit. Let me see. My target was 2205, 2210. Yeah, it would have hit like to the tick pretty much, 2210, 210. So maybe that wouldn't have filled actually. So maybe I would have gotten unlucky on that one. But my original stop was below point of control, and I was entering the break above New York value area high, and also we're holding above the HVL 0 DTE level. But then the open was coming in. I was like, I gotta close these positions, so I took a fat $641 L on that, and it was in. Well, I was in both these accounts. So, big L on those Tradeify accounts. It is whatever though. I'm not worried about it. And then on my TopStep accounts this morning, we were doing really good. I'm gonna let this open play out for like another few minutes. So I'm not taking any trades yet. So that's why I'm just going over these. If you're in any trades, please focus on your trades. But I can't imagine trading that opening. I guess some people are like that, not me. So I've been scalping in my combines, practicing and crushing it. And then I had 2 winning trades in my XFAs and 1 losing trade in my XFA, which of course the losing one, I don't know why I say of course, but the losing one happened to be oversized a little bit. But by $100, the risk limit should have been 260 and it was 360. So that was my losing trade and then my 2 winning trades. So we tap this point of control. Let's see if my camera can be a little better here. I think that's better. I tried to take a little nap after trading London session, and might be a cheeky long here, yeah, right? That sweep. But I would want to see us hold back above the... Oh, we are back. Wait, are we? No, we're not back above the 0 DTE HVL. Let's see, where's... So yeah, we have, I mean, really all the way down to 22,100 to previous day low. Yeah, so I would want to see the reclaim here. Where I had those stop losses, it still would have been fine, even if I didn't get tagged out there. So it's kind of annoying to see, but I don't feel like tilted by it or anything. It's just one of those things. I think it's better for me not to be trading, like have that position during the open. That could be sketchy, so. Well, I just realized you can highlight to like copy and paste stuff while scrolling. So there we go. Definitely my targets were just hit. So I had the right idea. I just got stopped out because of the market open and realizing I shouldn't have a trade on. Definitely annoying to have the right idea and lose money on it, but I think that's a good thing in the long run. So I'm kind of tempted to get back in this for the scalp right here. Let's just do it on, yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm in 1, 2. Oh shoot. Oh, I hit the wrong button. It's all good though. I'm trying to get in 2 lots. There we go. So am I on the right screen? Yes, I am. Alright, so I want to see this volume stay though. We just had the volume. We just had a really good volume. We sweat. Okay, there's still sellers coming in here. I just want to see a quick 5 points. My stop loss, oh, it's a really wide stop loss. That is way too wide. That's like 30, 50 points. That's way too big, so I don't know what. Yeah, so this is a problem with this scalping. I need to figure out a better stop loss here. 95, 50. I'm gonna do that. 95. 95.50 I said right there. So kind of sketchy. We're at the top of this. What's the other way for me to do my stop losses here? Whatever, I'll just use Ninja Trader. I'm not on it, sorry. Guys, I'm focused on it. I was looking for this breakout. Kind of I've been scalping momentum here with the level, so we reclaim this level. I'm really only going for 5 points. With it being the market open, I'm hoping to get more than 5, so I was going to drag my stop up. And then otherwise I have this set to auto trail once it hits 10 points. So if it does just move really quick, if that just pops up, it'll start trailing the TP. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm going to zoom in on Bookmap. Okay, market mouse is looking for 2, 6, 4. That'd be dope since I'm in a long, but we are. Okay, so we're back to VWAP here. Oh wow, we're getting delays. Not looking good for this long. This account might be blown actually before stop loss. I'm not sizing these right, guys, but they're all so low that I'm kind of just like, I don't want to be trading them forever without the possibility of payout. I'd rather be trading my personal account. So yeah, we're about to get stopped out on this again. Let's see. I'm actually surprised that that account can take that heat right there. I can check. I have trade. Oh, I thought I had. I thought I did. Where is it? Oh yeah, I do. I have. I can't speak right now. I have Tradeify open so I can see my drawdown availability. So that's account 4. Oh, 4,182. Oh wait, no. Sorry. What is it? View details. It's loading right now. Oh, it did. Oh, I got tagged my stop loss. It sucks because I'm still into this long. I would much rather my stop loss down below point of control, which would have meant sizing down a lot. But yeah, back in the range. So I just got wrecked twice. I have a feeling that that account can't be traded anymore. So maybe I'll lock up these accounts for now, these Tradeify accounts, or I just have to switch to micros. That's what I'll switch to micros. Okay, so we're on micros now. And I'll do 3 micros. So I'm not going to short this yet though, since we're in this like chop range. So I'm going to wait for this to play out more. I might just go back to a combine for a little bit unless I get a setup. So we already went over all my risk management and everything, guys. If anyone is new here and you want anything in specific around my risk management, my trade plan, well, here, I'll just give you an opportunity to screenshot it or something right here. So here's my trade plan. I already went over it this morning though, so I'm not going to go over it again. I went over it during the London session stream. So you can always look at the beginning of that or something if you want to learn about that stuff. But I'm gonna be planning out. I want to plan out my trades here. So let's turn off. Oh, here, let's put on a fresh combine. How about that? Okay, I'll put it on this fresh one that had rebuild recently, and looking for where I'd want to have trade idea. I mean, really, I want it. It just sucks that we're chopping right on the level I want to be long above or short below. We're literally like the 22,200 is my line in the sand right now, and we're just getting obliterated in that whole area. So if anything, I could like draw a range there or something. But yeah, I don't trust this. So if it breaks, though, I have a feeling it's going to roll over quick all the way down to like 22,100 or something. But we do have the value area low. Wait, is that correct? Let me see if I got that drawn on right. Oh, okay, so I just have it mislabeled, this value area low right here. There we go. Well, maybe I shouldn't trade this. Since I was in the pocket this morning, I felt really good about my trading this morning, and now the New York session's open, I'm like, I mean, we've been coming down since overnight highs. Wait, sorry, I'm responding to some messages here. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling like, I don't know, maybe I'm tired after trading London. We do have a div here right at point of control. So I do have a setup right now that I missed on the 5 minute. So I'm not going to take it now. I feel caught offside. Also on the 2 minute, that just played out really nice. I would have liked that 2 minute one. That already played out though. It might have been a too tight of a stop loss. No, it would have been a perfect stop loss, 7 points, 7.5 points. So I just missed that one because I was doing some other stuff. So and we've been coming down, so it's scary to long it. I also personally, taking a position from point of control isn't my favorite as much as targeting point of control. Oh, do I have my chat up? Oh yeah, here it is. Dang, back in the range, sitting right back at settlement level, looking for maybe new low, then long again. Yeah. So 2R, yeah. So it hit 2R perfectly from that trade idea. Alright, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens here. That would have been a tight scalp right there. But I also had the div set up. I would have had to move very quick for that div setup when the market's moving like this. Liquidity's coming, volume's coming down. I'm probably not going to jump on this short or anything right now, even though it looks like it's setting up for a breakdown. Yeah, I'm just going to sit on my hands a little bit longer. I'm checking out some chats right now, see what other people are thinking in the market clubhouse. Wow, so that tap almost to point of control would have also given a scalp. 10 points already right there. There was also a 2-minute div on that last candle. Yeah, so I'm just going to let this play out though. I already said it once. I have to keep saying it. Yo, what's up, Dale? Alright guys, I am already getting spooked from the market right now. So I don't have any trade ideas really. It would have been longing down here with the... Okay, there's the breakdown. So there was also a big div up here, but I couldn't take it with the opening like that in my rules. So the short is playing out right now. I could have just marketed in short that break, but yeah, what can I do? And the volume's going down still, so we're not getting extra volume. So now that would be, I wouldn't mind scalping these value area lows down here. Let's see what we got on, see if we can stay within. Yeah, we're finding a little bit of support, but it's disappearing. Okay, I want to try to scalp this.
Order filled.
So I'm just going for like 5 points at a time, really.
Order
There we go. That was 5 points. I would have done 2, but it's just, I feel a little sketched out. Right, back to point of control there. I'm just gonna, I'm I'm going to keep rotating these accounts for now. I don't think I'm going to touch these funded accounts right now. Okay, so we're up in all the combines, but not in my funded. That's funny. And maybe I just chill out. Okay, now we're back up. Man, that long would have been nice to hold. Back above point of control. Not yet to the 0 DTE gamma level or whatever it is, HVL. Alright guys, I appreciate everyone hit that like button because we only got 15 people on right now. So I don't know, maybe just people aren't trading this right now. Because I think the market conditions are hard. Or maybe because I did London open. I don't know. So, I don't know, I'm feeling maybe a little tilted. Okay, holding point of control. Yeah, I agree. Dio. Some days just aren't it. If not, no trade. Mark Mouse said looking for close back above. If not, no trade. Yeah. So I guess I'm kind of in the same boat. But it's funny because I was feeling so in the pocket this morning. We did have a big div here. We have a big div on the 5-minute too on that last candle, which was right at previous day val, and I didn't take it. That would have been a classic. That would have been my setup, perfectly performing in an XFA. So I had an exact setup, but I wasn't watching for it. I'm gonna have to just get off, guys. I don't know if it's because I'm tired or something, but I don't know if I feel, capable of executing well right now. I mean, I don't know. I did just have a few good trades, but when I say that, then normally that's my rule. It's like, okay, if I have to say that, then I should just get off. It just feels so early. But also, we don't have very many people on today either, so. Well, my rule is if I don't feel good, like it's kind of more like I have my rules that I could just follow. Like, so I could take a div at a key level all day, and I know how to execute those trades. So like, for example, we had it here on Trading View chart. We had a div, clean 5-minute div, which I really like. Perfect size stop loss, everything great, and that would have been a nice winner right there. Already hit 2. It's about to hit 2R right now. And yeah, that makes sense, Seamus. But my rule says here, vibe check, be honest. Normal to take a day off. Even like once or twice per week, it's normal to not have every day be a trading day. I don't know means no. Am I ready to crush it or not? If I'm not ready to crush it with like a good vibe, then just trade in combines or don't trade at all. So I know it's kind of vague with a good vibe, like what does that mean? But I kind of know what that means for myself. It means like, am I stoked? Am I feeling it? Am I doing good? And I guess that's not how I'm feeling right now. Which it's funny that shifted after I got up and ate. I did have a few conversations, so maybe that had something to do with my energy. Or maybe I just don't have a read on the market. So, or I'm tired, whatever. It could be a mixture of reasons. So I'm feeling it out right now. If I'm gonna get off. But yeah, I did have this set up right here. I at least got 1R on it. And this would have been a grade A setup for my XFAs. Oh, let me see if I can draw this better. There we go. So this would have been everything. But so when it comes to my rules and my accounts, I can follow that even when I'm like, even on tilt, I can take a div trade. Like I know how to do my setup. It means I don't think I have as good of a read on things, and I don't know. I'm looking at everything. I'm looking at my levels. I don't feel like on tilt. There's something. So I'm sorry to keep talking over it about it, but I don't know. Maybe it's also that we have point of control here, so I don't like trading point of control. Okay, we're holding above point of control. It's funny that I just all my XFAs are up really good. We're holding below the EMAs here on the 5 minute. Let's look at the 15 minute. I was excited to trade NY session because I already have all my levels up and everything. It's really chill to just get on and have all that stuff ready. My charts are ready. Everything looks bearish on the 15 minute. Bearish crossover of the EMAs. So then, I mean, for the short, I'd just be targeting low a day. Maybe we have an inside day. Maybe we sweep down, go back up, and just chop here. Yeah, guys. No one's on either right now. There's only 14 people on the stream. So I'm just going to call it quits. I'm going to just enjoy my day, guys. I haven't had a full day where I'm not streaming or doing anything, so I'm just going to take my day. And here we are coming down here, so. Yep, sorry, that was like I feel like that was like a false alarm stream, but I guess I was on for an hour already. So, yeah, I'm gonna have a chill day, session flow. Alright, guys, well, not feeling it, I'm gonna take off. I hope everyone has a really good day and good luck out there. Remember, we have building permits already happened. FOMC minutes in the afternoon, but that doesn't really matter. Yeah, alright guys, well, there's only a few of you here. Appreciate you guys for checking in here, and sorry, no thing exciting going on, no action here. Got a good little few scalps, and I think really the biggest thing going on is that I lost those trades that I took right before open, which normally I wouldn't trade within that time period before open. So if anything, that was my like tilty sign. What's up, Alza? So that was my tilty sign, the fact that I took these trades right before open, which is like that no trade vibe. But this morning, I did get some good trade journaling in. I need to finish my trade journaling from this morning, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. Let's move it to the XFA. This one right here, I took that trade. So let's see this trade real quick. I'm going to finish journaling it and then get off. So, or not journaling it, logging it. Show chart executions, yep. So I differentiate between trade journaling and trade logging. Where is it? Oh, it's on MNQ. Duh. Alright, so we're gonna go to MNQ. Here it is. So here's my trade. So look how it never hit 2R. And so the fact that I managed this, I had 3 off at 1R, 1 off at 1.5R, and 3 off at 2R. And then I was holding 1 as a runner. No, sorry, 3 as a runner. I had filled 10 lots originally right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm pretty sure it's 10. Yep. So what happened was after I took off the ones that I considered the ones at 2R, which we never hit. I moved my stop loss to break even for the runners. And then it started to bounce. I was like, you know what? I should have at least left one runner. I didn't have to leave 3. I could have just stopped out for 2 of them at break even and held 1, only risking another 20 bucks. But so that was like what, 15-point move almost? Not quite, almost a 15-point move. That then retraced holding 3 lots. So that sucks. But those were the runners. I had already taken off 7. So no problem. And the fact that though, so what I need to journal here is, what would have happened if I moved my stop loss at break even at 1R? Well, it would have kept going up and then it would have came down. So we would have got stopped up. We would have come back up to the same level and then come back down and gone below the original stop loss right here. So, and then we sent. So I would have got stopped out at the full thing if I hadn't moved my stop loss at break even. So if we had moved it at 1R, it would have been plus EV. So I'm going to put a plus sign there. And if we moved at 2R, which I did move it at 2R, it also would have been plus EV. So this I can go back and look at and know in the future if it's better for me to be doing it or not. And so if I had managed, which I did, it was plus EV. So the fact that I took these off early between 2R is good that I managed it this time. A lot of times that we can see it wasn't like that. So minus EV if I had managed. Minus EV, plus EV, plus EV. So I'm going to try to be better at keeping these stats, guys. And then that way I can know if I should be managing my trade or not, or just trade completely systematically. Yep, so I finished that journaling. We never hit 2R. That's it. All right, guys, so I did my journaling, or my trade logging. I'm going to actually journal. So I need to finish my journal. I put one thing in there already today, I think. Yep. I put my planned trades played out well, but I followed my rules strict and only took the base hit. Meanwhile, the entire plan played out. Looking back now, we had increasing volume and a clean flip of S and R. So I put that there, like I could construct kind of more a different strategy or a different trade idea with that, where I can try to let my trade plan play out fully. And then I'm going to put right now, entered 2 trades right before open. I'm just going to be more specific. Entered 2 trades within 20 minutes of open and stopped them out right before open to cut the loss, and then they went to target. They weren't really the best trades. They went to target and then back down, but it was still like, the lesson there is that I should not have been trading right before open. So maybe I make a stricter rule where I say no trading before open 20 minutes before. There is a point where I like having a trade on going into open. Like if I got into it early, like say this long played out and we had market open right after, which yeah, that was a bit before open. But just as an example, and I'm holding my runner, I'm not going to just take out my runner right before open because there's a good chance I get a big move also in the right direction during open. And sometimes those outsized wins on runner, I think can help my stats a lot and get me some good wins in the future. So I'm hoping that those will eventually add to it when I have runners going into news, which I have had. I've had runners. I had a good div once going into one of the big news prints. I forget what it was, CPI or something. And I had a huge outsized win on just one micro. Meanwhile, I wasn't really risking that much. You can get slippage though. So in those situations, I prefer to already have my stop in the profit to reduce the chance of major slippage and to lock in the trade. So I'm going to say I shouldn't be trading right before open. Maybe I should add a hard set rule like 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, we're breaking down those value area lows. The trade on the value area lows I prefer is breaking into the value area lows to then go up to value area high or point of control or daily high. Right now we have room all the way down here to yesterday's low as well as an MC level and gamma level. So missed out the short. The trade idea played out. My main support and resistance zones here were this previous day mid, and New York sessions value area high. So we went from the value area high to value area low. So that was a clean trade idea. But this was right during market open, and then we're chopping right here. So I had no way to get in that trade without trading the open. So it is what it is. No trade there. And so I think I'm good. I did my journaling. I did my logging. I want to make these trades count. I don't want to like take, especially for the losses, I don't want to not extract value from them. That's how I turned that loss into a win. So interesting that no one's on right now, guys. This is the lowest amount I've had on the stream ever, like since like the beginning. So, but that's it. I did my journaling, I did my logging, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump off. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow bright and early. I'm not sure what session I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I'm gonna figure that out, and I'll post it eventually here. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon, and good luck today. Stay safe and make every trade count. All right. See ya. All right, peace out.
I don't need recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working. Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a just less than 24 hours past and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Studying the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore, if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position.